Of all 58 counties in California, Long Beach has the highest rate of obesity among children ages 11 through 16. Our Acts of Sunshine grant is meant to give back to our communities here in Southern California and help organizations that are passionate about the people they serve. We found that in the growing experience.
So the Carmelitos community is home to about 2,000 residents. There's 700 households that live within Carmelitos. It's a 66-acre housing community. And so the way the growing experience fits into all of this is that we actually grow produce and provide it to residents that live here and give them access to fresh organic produce.
So at the Growing Experience, we really strive to be as sustainable as possible so that we can be a role model in the community. So we employ a variety of water conservation methods, everything from drip irrigation to rainwater harvesting. We also have an aquaponics system, and so really the next step is solar. And so our partnership with Horizon Solar and Boeing to install solar panels on site will help offset our electrical usage and increase our energy conservation efforts that we have here.
Matching Boeing's grant to help this urban farm thrive is in direct alignment with the goals of our program.
My favorite part is really engaging with residents, particularly youth, and teaching them about sustainability, sustainable agriculture, and our local environment, and really getting them engaged with what healthy nutrition and a healthy lifestyle looks like, and how they can really lead a more sustainable life for themselves. Our produce from the Growing Experience goes directly to our residents. We really look to serve especially those disadvantaged populations, low-income populations, and folks that have a lack of access to healthy produce, and getting them involved as well, getting their hands dirty, teaching them about growing their own produce. And in addition to that, we'll be able to further educate residents and particularly the youth on solar and more of those energy conservation methods. And our focus is really increasing access to healthy produce for them. So we're not for profit, and we're looking to really increase our local food economy here in North Long Beach.
Find out more about the solar revolution and Acts of Sunshine by visiting us at actsofsunshine.com.